Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a watermelon daiquiri. The first thing I'm going to do in order to make this drink is add the rum. 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Then 1.5 ounces of the watermelon syrup. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And this is a 1 to 2 syrup. If that means anything with watermelon syrup, check out the video. 3/4 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And this may be a little on the tart side for some. My wife will be drinking this later and she likes some tart, so I'm going with this. Finally, a couple chunks of watermelon. I'm going to put those right there in the shaker. Just small ones. Remember, watermelon has moisture, so this will change your proportions a bit. So don't put too much in, is my point. Add your ice. And give it a nice hard shake. If you want, you can single strain. If you want, you can double strain. If you don't like the little bits of watermelon that are going to come with this, double strain. I don't mind the little bits, except that they clog my shaker. And as you can see, this is getting right to the lip, so if you want, you can use a little sidecar to pick up the rest of it. And that's what the watermelon itself will do. It'll release a little bit more moisture in the form of water. So that's that. Garnish. I like putting a little bit of watermelon. I include the rind because I think that's pretty, and this is pre-cut. I also sometimes like to use a lime wheel in addition or instead of. So I'm going to put that there. We have our sidecar, and we have our watermelon daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.